Hello and welcome to the channel At Home with Leta J. I'm Leta and today I'm going to take you on a tour of my great room and how it was decorated for Thanksgiving. In this video, I share how I decorated without interrupting my existing decor, keeping everything cohesive, but making things simple, using DIY decor tips like adding more greenery, using empty boxes and decorative bows just to punctuate the season. So starting in my foyer on the right, a large entryway mirror. I've added a lighted wreath and added a bow, some faux poinsettias at the bottom from Michael's, and there you have it, a beautiful representation of the season. As you move through the entryway, on the left, I have a chair with a side table. To decorate for the season, I just added boxes with a bow and added some greenery to my vase there. And I love to mix metals, so you'll see a lot of silver and gold. That is my core color. For the large vase in the foyer, I opted not to add stems. I will as we get closer to Christmas. As we make our way into the great room, there are two large vases that actually flank my entertainment console. And this was a project where I added two different stems together, and to make them cohesive, I sprayed snow foam on them. So that was a bit of a DIY, and I'm proud of how it turned out. And here we are making our way through the great room, and the star of the show, of course, is my Christmas tree, Big Daddy. He is silver and gold, but as you work your way through the great room, you'll notice that my existing decor is still in place. Silver, golds, grays, the white and the black, it's all there, but I chose to warm things up by just adding greenery here and there. Again, this setup is actually for Thanksgiving. I'm recording this the day after Thanksgiving, and this felt authentic to me this year. Definitely, we are big Christmas, but for Thanksgiving, I wanted it to be more festive, not necessarily Christmas, although I do feel that Thanksgiving is like the Christmas Eve of Christmas. And for me, it's an exciting time. You have to decorate with what feels authentic to you. So for me, this reflects my heart. For me, Christmas is all about celebrating God's gift, and the inspiration is woven throughout my decor, where you see bows, and you'll notice this is a subtle symbol of the greatest gift ever given. So for me, Thanksgiving is the Christmas Eve of Christmas, so my decor is a little different. I will show a tour of my full Christmas decor in the coming days ahead, but I just wanted to pause there just to let you know what the bows meant to me. So we've made our way around the coffee table, and it's quite simple. It's 360 decorating, a couple of mercury glass orbs, some greenery, bows again. I used empty boxes. I am a Generation X, so I'm keeping my boxes, and now you see they're useful. You can use shoe boxes and wrap them and just place a bow on them and place them everywhere throughout your home. It's absolutely the most simplest decor. I've added some candles and some candle sleeves there just to add ambiance. Even with the candles not lit, the glass adds a little flicker, and you'll see that in a moment in the night views. But I have orbs on my fireplace holding the stockings, so that draws in a level of similarity throughout the room. And then I've moved my chairs closer to the fireplace. I just love sitting by the fire during the winter season. But here's my Christmas tree. This year, like I said, I've added bows to it. In years past, it's just been the ornaments, and they're a mix of silver, gold, glass, crystal, you name it, it's there. There's a little bit of black ornaments inside, but the bows are silver and gold, and it reflects beautifully because they have a mesh sheen to them. So here's a nighttime view, and like I was saying, even as you walk through during the night with the candles not lit, you could still see the shimmer off of the candle sleeves, so that is a nice effect. And here's later in the evening, just with the tree on and with the orbs and the small Christmas tree there lit, and it's just so magical. You feel very festive. Even though I don't have a lot of the traditional Christmas colors in the room, like I said, the semblance of Christmas and the bows for me with the little lights, as my great grandmother used to say, I love those little lights. That just means a lot to me. And this Thanksgiving, as we sat and had dinner, it was the first time or first year since probably 2013 that I actually sat and ate a complete meal. I enjoyed my company. My mom was with us. My favorite uncle was with us. And it was just the room and the feeling and just pausing and truly being thankful. I had a great agenda in terms of YouTube videos, but that got sidetracked. And I'm more thankful this year than ever. My husband was involved in an accident in earlier November. He collided with a deer and the car was totaled, but he walked away from that accident. And just thankful to the Lord for the many blessings, keeping him safe, keeping my family safe, keeping my family healthy. We had a lot of people travel during this season. And even with that, with the ups and downs in life, just truly thankful. So I really wanted to decorate for Thanksgiving before moving into Christmas. If you made it this far in the video, I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. If you have any questions about the products or details about items in the video, check out the description section. I hope you'll consider returning soon in the coming days ahead as I release more Christmas-related content. And as I end all my videos with still shots, I'm wishing you and praying that you have an amazing day. And if it's not a great day, stop and say a prayer. Prayer changes things. I'll see you soon. Bye.